certain believability about Ajay and me coming and meeting each other after 23 years, that we could have been lovers in the past and that we could not, be together for whatever reason. Heroine cannot do this and heroine should not do this and it's not commercial enough or it's not, it'll affect your commercial career and all that. Which I did not really see sense in understanding. लोगों को ऐसा लगता होगा कि अगर एक्टर 2 साल काम नहीं किया तो शायद उसको स्क्रिप्ट नहीं मिली होगी. नहीं, स्क्रिप्ट तो रोज अच्छी आती होंगी. आपको प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा, आपको डायरेक्टर नहीं पसंद आया होगा, आपको पैसे नहीं मिले होंगे, सही एक्टर नहीं मिला होगा.
Hi, welcome to E-Times, and I'm not introducing you because I don't think I have enough words to do justice to interview you.
Wow, thank you.
But all I can say is it's such a pleasure to have you and welcome to E-Times. And
thank you. Pleasure to be here also.
Thank you. And I want to start off by saying that when I saw the trailer of Auron Mein Kya Dum Tha, I saw it 3-4 times on repeat because I absolutely loved it and I found it so refreshing from everything that we've seen lately. Did you have the same reaction when the script came to you?
Yeah. I knew that it's going to be something beautiful and aesthetically done and something that suits Ajay and me so well. And the fact that Neeraj was making it and I knew that he would have a completely different way of telling an intensely relationship based story and I was really curious to see how that's going to come out.
Yeah, but talking about the kind of work that you've done in the last few years, in fact from the start of your career in fact, but recent times I would like to count that, okay, you're doing something like a Khufia, you're doing something like a Drishyam 2, you're doing something like a Crew, which is comedy, now you're doing romance, and that's nothing new because you're used to leaving your audience surprised ever since you started out. Having said that, is there something which you can't do? Because even in recent times, look at the body of work and the variety that's coming from you.
Lucky, I've been very lucky, extremely lucky. But can't do तो मैंने कभी ऐसे नहीं सोचा कि अरे I can't do this.
Really?
No, I never thought. I always had faith that ये मैं कर लूँगी और अच्छे से करूँगी. I think that's why I was able to manage, doing so many different kinds of characters. तो मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि मैं अरे लोगों के I think people have that more in their heads about actors. Of course, it's also differs from different actors. But I never thought that I should not do this or I will not be able to carry this. First of all, the director wouldn't come to me if they didn't think that I would be able to do justice to it. And I take it up as a exciting journey to be able to do it, collaborate with my director. If I'm stuck, ask the director, or if I feel that I should suggest something, then suggest that to the director. So for me, it's been interesting.
Yeah, being a 90s kids, I'm such a fan of the 90s songs, and Raah Mein Unse still remains one of my favorite songs. And looking at the trailer of this film, I was almost taken back to that era.
It has an element of nostalgia.
It has that element of nostalgia. Yes. But how do you look at this whole journey where you're revisiting that era in terms of this sort of romance, which is more mature and yet it has that feel of it takes you back in time, and of course the journey and with Ajay where people are reminded of that era seeing you together.
I think that's what has helped so much in this film, that there is a certain believability about Ajay and me coming and meeting each other after 23 years. That we could have been lovers in the past and that we could not, be together for whatever reason. So I think people are also invested in our relationship on screen because they've seen really, if I may say, iconic films and characters of both of us, especially Drishyam in the recent
Yeah.
past. You
Yeah.
know, Vijay Salgaonkar and
Meera.
Meera Deshmukh are a combination for them. So I think it's easy for people to connect both of us
Yeah.
in any form. Bhola, Golmaal, Drishyam,
De
and
De
now
Pyar
the
De.
De De Pyar De, and now this. So I think both of us, when also we picked films that will suit where we are in time at that point of time.
Yeah.
Uh, because Ajay also has the ability of doing different genres of cinema and fitting into all these things. So it's I think it's just helped.
Yeah, a few days back I heard something where Vishal Bharadwaj said in an interview that Tabu's most irritating quality is that when she sees herself on screen, she doesn't like her work. And that is irritating for him because obviously he thinks you are very good, and he said that even when you watched Heather, you were closing your eyes and you didn't like yourself. But come on, you didn't like yourself in Heather and you don't like yourself in your movies.
No,
Why?
no, I didn't see the film like in totality. I saw it much later. But no, on the edit table, I saw some parts. Like, no, sometimes you feel, na, "Arey yaar, ye aise, it could have been better." That's all. And I keep doing kit about something. So now he doesn't show me anything only. Now he's used to it.
Yeah.
I'll say something or the other. ऐसे क्यों ये नहीं ऐसे करना
Yeah.
चाहिए था ना ऐसे क्यों किया ऐसे करना चाहिए था.
Yeah.
But now he's used to it. So now we've also come to this place ke I will say anything and he will not listen to me. And I've also reached the place where I'll go on set and say नहीं ऐसा करेंगे ऐसा ही करेंगे ऐसा ही करेंगे. So we keep having these fights.
But having said that, does that go on to say that you are your biggest critique? And is there any work where, even in your previous films from the 90s, where you thought that you could have done better? And despite the fact that you are considered the best actress in the country, perhaps at the moment, despite that, do you think that you are your biggest critique?
I'm not just my critique. I can see where I have, done satisfactorily well according to my standards, and I can see why people have liked what they have liked. I have a sense of that, but I'm sure a lot of people, creative people, go through that if I would have approached X film now, I would have obviously approached it differently. But I have started ignoring those thoughts because it's going to happen every single day. But of course, when I'm on a film, I always feel that I don't know if I think that I can do it better, but I always I always try to find ways to do it in different ways than what would be expected. And I always look to collaborate with my director in a way that he allows me that interpretation. And fortunately for me, most of my directors, or I must say all, have completely allowed me that freedom to interpret and to do it my way.
Yeah.
So that is the hunger that will that never ceases, whatever project it is. That is why it feels like, that's why Vishal is like, तुम ऐसे क्यों सोचती हो? I mean, if a particular day ऐसा.
Yeah.
That is because I want to keep doing it in unpredictable ways.
And we spoke about your equation with Ajay Devgan on screen, but I've got to tell you as an audience that it's not just about your chemistry with Ajay Devgan, but you have this potential to create great chemistry with most actors that you've worked with, because look at the crackling chemistry with Mr. Bachchan in Chini Kam. To somebody like a Kapil Sharma in Crew. people loved the chemistry.
I know.
And Irfan.
We are the new it couple, okay?
Y'all
Kapil and
are.
I.
Y'all are. Because what chemistry? And I absolutely loved your chemistry in Chini Kam because I can watch it repeatedly, be it with Irfan, in The Namesake. I'm like, how does she do it with most actors? So there's got to be something, right? That you create memorable chemistry with most actors.
क्रिएट तो मतलब वो हो जाता है, बाद में ऐसा लगता है कि क्रिएट किया अभी कोई, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स वी विल कॉल इट अ क्रिएशन, बट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट यू आर नॉट लुकिंग एट, मतलब यू आर नॉट engineering something. I haven't consciously engineered anything. I think what you have with that particular person will come across when you are with that particular person, and camera will capture it, you know.
And I'll interrupt you and add, not to mention even something like the chemistry you created with Gehna and Virasat with Anil Kapoor also.
Yes.
That was a different charm.
Yeah.
I mean,
sometimes two people just look good together.
Yeah.
Sometimes two people are so in क्या बोलते हैं, in sync with each other. Sometimes as actors you have great timing with each other, and sometimes you just look at each other in a way that's you know, that's special.
Yeah.
Also given the context of the film that you're talking about.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, and I love that. I love working with actors. I think actors, finally they work with actors because the director is with you till a point.
Yeah.
But when you are in front of the camera, you are really enacting all those things with your co-actors.
Yeah.
And it's the most interesting part of my job, to go on set and you know, have this exchange with other people, other human beings. They are human beings,
Yeah.
you know, and what it would bring out in me, and where it will go. Sometimes you know that it's not, you know, great with some actors, and sometimes you come back feeling really fulfilled, and sometimes you come back feeling not so fulfilled, and sometimes you come back feeling empty of an experience, you know. So for me it's that.
Yeah, you know, recently I was interviewing Jyotika, who made her comeback with Hindi films and Shaitan after almost 27 years.
Yeah.
And she was saying that how she took your name and she said that Tabu has paved the way for so many actresses because she did the kind of films that she did, like Chandni Bar and Marches, from such a beginning of her career, and that paved the way for good scripts for women, which we are now talking about. So when people call you path breaking, when actresses today say that you had the guts to pave the way for them from a very early age, I want to know your perspectives that today people talk about being choosy, but when you're at the initial stage of your career, when in an era where things are very different, has it ever been a struggle for you to make those choices and sometimes even say no to what you're not okay with, and you know, do something with you want to see yourself doing?
First I must congratulate Jyotika. I've had a very, very long equation with her from the past. Jyotika's first film was with me.
Wow.
We did a multilingual film with Priyadarshan.
Oh, wow.
In which, and I remember her as a very, very quiet and, you know, this young, quiet, shy girl. And I'm so happy to, you know, see her doing good work, and really. Yeah, the second part of the question, was it difficult? It was definitely not difficult personally for me. I was very, very clear about why I want to do a particular film. I was very clear about my choices, and the choices could be anything on different days, you know. I'm very clear why I'm doing a Sajan Chale Sasural. I'm very clear why I'm doing a Maqbool. I'm very clear about why I'm doing a Namesake or a Virasat or a Chini Kam or BB number 1 or a Vijaypat.
Wow, what a variety.
So, I don't know. See, in retrospect, these things become like a story or a concept only when you look at them in retrospect. When you're making those choices, when you're literally living that journey, you're not thinking about being a path breaker or wanting to be a path breaker. Yes, definitely you want to, your hunger or your desire or your aspiration is going to push you in the direction that you want to go in. And for me, it was to do stuff that is not formula. At that point of time, went back to formula, came back from it, went back, because it's also for me not interesting to stay stuck in one kind of area or a zone, or अगर आप फिल्मी context में देखें तो one genre of cinema or one kind of role. So it was always for me कि अब मैंने ये कर लिया है, अब मैं इसको कितनी बार repeat क्यों करूँ, For people at that time especially, it was very, very, like blasphemous to see an actress coming from mainstream commercial cinema and making these choices. So that was I think the challenge was bigger for them to be okay with my choices, but I was not interested in their opinion or their approval. I was very clear that I want to do this film, I'll do this film. Why is it so wrong? Because I was not, maybe because I was not playing by the rules, and almost everybody was playing by the rules and everybody expected you to play by the rules. So an unwritten rules, unseen, protocol या जो भी बोलो कि heroine cannot do this and heroine should not do this and it's not commercial enough or it's not, it'll affect your commercial career and all that, which I did not really see sense in understanding, because I was really not trying to, I don't know, matlab,
you were not trying to prove a point, is
not
it?
at all. मतलब point तो कभी भी नहीं होता है, but आप अच्छा काम करना चाहते थे, आप अब जो आप कर रहे हो उससे अलग करना चाहते थे, कि ऐसा नहीं कि मैं सबसे अलग, I wanted to stand out and all that, but I wanted to do something that I knew I would be good at and I did not want to just remain in that space where I am not allowed to explore my abilities or my ability to perform. And I wanted those platforms, and when those films came to me and when those directors came to me, and of course the reputation and the premise and the material that you've been given, and you're excited to invest in it, and you know that it will work for you, at least, you know that creatively maybe you will be more satisfied. That is also a question mark if you will be, but at that time you want these characters to be able to give you that space to do something, and not just have no relevance as an actor, as a person. And because I think again it's your personal aspiration and आपकी personal, आपकी सोच कैसी है, तो शायद मैं वैसे सोचती थी हमेशा कि it's not, why is it important to just do what everybody else is doing, and why should I give those same expressions which I have been giving in every films? Why can't it be different? Why can't it be mine? For me, more than different, I think I wanted it to be mine. I wanted to say that this is
your
me.
interpretation of it.
This is me and this is coming from me. And the best way that I can bring it out to people or for a film, and I absolutely enjoyed that, and I am so grateful that for all the factors that made it possible for me to do that. Now, of course, then later it was called path breaking and all of that. But it was a long journey
Yeah.
to be able to be called that,
Yeah.
and not that I set out to be called that.
Yeah.
But it was extremely engaging and extremely satisfying on many levels
Yeah.
for me as an actor and as a person.
Yeah.
I think finally the choices you make in your work are also reflecting the kind of person you are.
Yeah.
You know, I wanted more.
Yeah, yeah. And talking about you spoke about Soch as a woman in the journey of the complex characters that you've played. And today, when you did those characters when you were not probably in that stage, but today when you're much more evolved as an actress, more mature as a woman, how has your thinking changed in terms of choosing more such roles, and also in life, because we've seen so much in life as we grow. So how do you look at it that way?
You grow in life, you experience so much more, and like I said, now you approach things in a different manner.
Yeah.
But given the premise of that film and that story, I could have approached it only in that manner.
Yeah.
Of course, your performance will change. It might get better, it might get worse with time. We don't know.
Yeah. No, it's got to
तो
be better. ऐसे मत
नहीं,
बोलिए।
मतलब जनरली लोगों के लिए मैं ऐसे
आप ऐसा
statement-
बोलोगे तो बाकी के एक्टर्स
नहीं।
कूद जाएंगे कहीं से।
नहीं मैं बोलूँ सबके लिए
सही
जनरली यू डोंट नो,
Yeah.
बट एट दैट टाइम यू आर डूइंग इट इन दोज गिवन सर्कमस्टांसेस. तो
I mean, in terms of the maturity to understand emotions that you portray, and also things that life teaches when you become better as an actor because of your experiences and maturity.
हाँ, बट अब आपको जो रोल्स आते हैं तो डेफिनेटली उन कैरेक्टर्स की भी कहीं ना कहीं वो जर्नी हो चुकी होती है. यू नो, अ कैरेक्टर लाइक इन दे दे प्यार दे, और कुत्ते, और खुफिया, और भोला, और दिस, तो वो इट्स अ गिवन इन द स्क्रिप्ट दैट द कैरेक्टर्स वुड हैव हैड सम जर्नी, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट 16 और 20 एनीमोर. तो आपकी जितनी भी जिंदगी की सीख समझ है वो अगर आप लकी हैं तो वो आपके काम में नज़र आएगी. और अगर आप उसे ट्रांसम्यूट करके अपने काम में ला सकते हैं, वो ऑटोमेटिकली शायद आती है. बट अगर आपकी ज़िंदगी का एक्सपीरियंस और आपकी ग्रोथ अगर आपके काम में नज़र नहीं आ रही है तो मतलब आपकी ग्रोथ नहीं हुई है, या तो इट्स देन दैट ईदर और देन your work or your chances are not giving you the space to really show your growth in life. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. आप बहुत ग्रो किए हैं, आपका इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत डीप रहा है, बहुत फैला हुआ रहा है, लेकिन आप शायद ऐसा रोल या ऐसा काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐसे डायरेक्टर के साथ नहीं काम कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे आपको दिखाने की ज़रूरत है. तो अगेन वो मेजर तो फिल्म के हिसाब से होता है. बट मुझे लगता है कि आपकी ज़िंदगी की जर्नी कहीं ना कहीं आपके काम में बोलती है, और स्पेशली जब आप कैमरे के सामने होते हैं तो वो कुछ ज़्यादा छुपता नहीं है.
Okay, and lastly, I want to know what can people expect from you now? Aurome Kya Dam Tha is coming on July 5th, and now what next? What is it that you're doing, and how do you sort of have been able to balance so much work along with keeping your sanity alive also, and you
Good
know,
luck.
finding
My
time
luck.
for yourself, finding time for yourself. Yeah.
सेल्फ तो आपको ढूंढना पड़ता है, आपको निकालना पड़ता है. बट मुझे लगता है जो हम काम करते हैं वो भी तो सेल्फ के लिए ही करते हैं.
सही बात है.
कोई ऐसा सेल्फ टाइम अलग, मी टाइम, आपको कुछ डिफाइन करना पड़ता है कि मतलब मैं समंदर पे जाने के लिए टाइम रखना चाहती हूँ, ट्रैवल के लिए टाइम रखना चाहती हूँ, वो और काम के लिए रखना चाहती हूँ, वो भी आपका ही है. वो मी टाइम भी आपका ही है, आपको ही करना है.
Doing something which you love.
Yeah. Love, and it's important, na? Matlab, that's also your me time only. It's just that you're sharing it with so many other people in your life, that's all. So yeah.
That's fun, but what can people expect after this?
So I haven't said yes to anything as of now. Even if I say yes to something in the next 1 month, I don't think there'll be anything out before next year or 1 year. Depends. But I wanted a clean slate, and then I wanted to, because I've done so much work back to back
Yeah,
in the
back
past
to
5
back,
years.
there was-
Yeah. So unless there's something that I cannot say no to, that's something that really shouts out and grabs my attention and कि ये तो करना ही है यार,
तो
बहुत
अब
मजा
क्या
आएगा।
है? I mean, it's a challenge
नहीं,
for
ऐसा
people to
नहीं
get
है।
you those scripts. What is
No,
it?
scripts
Yeah.
तो स्क्रिप्ट्स का प्रॉब्लम मुझे कभी नहीं रहा है। लोगों को ऐसा लगता होगा कि अगर एक्टर 2 साल काम नहीं किया तो शायद उसको स्क्रिप्ट नहीं मिली होगी। नहीं, स्क्रिप्ट तो रोज अच्छी आती होंगी। आपको प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा, आपको डायरेक्टर नहीं पसंद आया होगा, या आपको पैसे नहीं मिले
सही
होंगे,
बात है।
सही एक्टर नहीं मिला होगा, तो बहुत फैक्टर्स होते हैं, सो एक नाउ ना इन टोटलिटी द प्रोजेक्ट हैज टू फील के हाँ यार, आई एम happy with this project. I think it will be good. I'll be safe. I'll be looked after.
Yeah.
पैसा वैसा भी सब ठीक है. Creative satisfaction भी है. So there are a lot of other factors that you take into consideration.
Yeah.
So जब तक वो सारे factors वो tick mark
Tick
नहीं
marks
हो
नहीं
जाते,
होते।
सारे तो खैर कभी नहीं होंगे, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा 3 out of 10 रह जाते हैं, but that's also a good this thing I feel.
Yeah, combination
Barometer.
to get.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
it was such a pleasure. As much as I would just like to continue talking to you, I think I will keep
one
it for
more.
next time.
Yeah.
Thank you. It was
Thank you
such a
so much.
pleasure.
Thank you.